Hello everyone, welcome back to our deep dive into Shakespeare's Othello. Today we are exploring Act 1, Scene 3, a pivotal scene set in the council chamber of the Duke of Venice. The scene is also rich with character development, themes, and foreshadowing that drive the play forward. Let's get started. The scene begins with the Duke and Venetian senators discussing urgent news about the Turkish fleet moving forward to Cyprus. They receive conflicting reports, creating confusion about the Turkish true target. In the meantime, Brabantio angrily entering the chamber with Othello and others. As they debate, Brabantio storms in with Othello, Iago, Roderigo, and others. Brabantio accuses Othello of using witchcraft to seduce his daughter Desdemona. Initially, the Duke sides with Brabantio but asks Othello to speak in his defense. Othello responds with calm and dignity. He explains how he and Desdemona fell in love through his adventurous life stories, which he often shared at Brabantio's house. Desdemona was captivated by his tales and fell in love with him, leading to their marriage. Desdemona is brought in and confirms Othello's story. She testifies that she married Othello out of love and free will, asking for permission to accompany him to Cyprus. The Duke and the Council, convinced by their testimonies, dismiss Brabantio's accusations. The Duke then addresses the Turkish threat, ordering Othello to go to Cyprus to defend it. Othello agrees, arranging for Desdemona to follow him under the care of Iago and his wife Emilia. After the council, Rodrigo is heartbroken over losing Desdemona and threatens to drown himself. Iago mocks his despair and convinces him to follow them to Cyprus, promising to help him win Desdemona. Once Rodrigo leaves, Iago reveals his true intention in a soliloquy. He plans to use Rodrigo's money and manipulate Othello into believing that Desdemona is unfaithful with Cassio. Iago's hatred for Othello and his cunning plan becomes clear. Critical analysis. Now let's analyze the scene. First, character development. Othello's eloquence, dignity, and integrity shine through as he wins the respect of the Duke and senators. His love for Desdemona is sincere, reflecting his noble character. Desdemona's testimony shows her as a strong, independent woman defying societal norms for love. Her decision to accompany Othello to Cyprus showcases her loyalty and bravery. Iago's manipulative nature is further revealed. His ability to deceive Rodrigo and Othello highlights his cunningness. His soliloquy exposes his resentment and evil plans. Themes of race and prejudice are prominent. Brabantio's accusations reflect the racial prejudices of the time. He cannot believe Desdemona would marry Othello willingly, suggesting racial biases. Othello's defense counters these assumptions, emphasizing his nobility. The theme of love and loyalty is evident in Othello and Desdemona's genuine and strong relationship, which will be tested by Iago's manipulations. Desdemona's loyalty is clear in her decision to follow Othello. Deception and manipulation are key themes introduced through Iago's actions. His soliloquy reveals his true nature and foreshadows the tragic events to come. Foreshadowing is also significant. Othello's belief in his virtue and his service to the state foreshadow his tragic flaw, his unwavering trust in his judgment and those around him, which Iago will exploit. Finally, the scene sets up the central conflict between Othello and Brabantio and the larger conflict involving the Turkish threat. The urgency of the Duke's summons adds to the tension as Othello must defend his marriage and prepare to lead the Venetian forces. Act 1, Scene 3 is a crucial turning point in Othello, establishing key characters, themes, and conflicts that drive the play forward. Thanks for joining me. If you find this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insight into Shakespeare's work. See you soon in the next class.